Betty for sponsoring this video.
Today, we are finishing the project we started over a year ago, the RV.
Yeah. Because sometimes you got to take a break and enjoy what you've done in order to finish what you have to do.
We have one room left that we've had for a while.
Since the beginning, really.
The one space we have left is our kids' space. It has been totally functional for them. We have camped, they have stayed there. It just doesn't match the vibe of the rest of the trailer yet.
Yeah.
So although we don't have to do it, we kind of want to, just to finish everything, make it all cohesive.
I mean, that's the philosophy of our life is you don't have to do it, but we probably will because Lindi likes nice things.
So here's what the kids' bedroom space looked like before we did any trailer renos at all. Now we're done this living room, we're done this and this like bathroom space, and this is what we are tackling. The main thing we want to do is bring a little bit of color in here. I want to do a headboard along that wall and that wall so you can kind of see them when you're coming in the trailer. We also used to have a trailer curtain up here. This is the rod for it. It goes up on the ceiling, and we're still gonna reuse that, but this was the trailer curtain and it is not the vibe. Then we have this cabinet. We have 3 kids, so we're planning to put at least 2 shelves in here so that when we're camping, each of them has a shelf for all of their stuff. And then I really want to put some kind of shelf along the walls for them so that they have like a place to put their glasses and their books at night and that kind of stuff. I think that's everything for the kids' space.
I think so. I mean, it's some organization, kind of doing some color stuff to make it vibe with the rest of the trailer, and that should be it. So.
Yeah. I don't think it'll be too bad.
You want it on this wall?
So yeah, that wall and the wall above.
So we are 47 and a half or something, okay. And then we need to leave a little bit for batting and stuff. So that's a 4 by whatever sheet. Do you want top of the mattress or bottom of the mattress?
I don't think it matters, except that you're gonna have to be able to...
Oh, this opens.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we need to squish it in here. So then we need to go all the way down.
Mattress? Yeah.
4 feet by 30 inches. I'm gonna be here measuring for a little bit longer, so.
Do you need a pillow for your measurement?
Yeah, that'd be perfect. Thank you. I'll be done in like half an hour, 45 minutes.
Okay. Don't drool on my nice pillow, okay? I have a few fabrics that we already picked out. We actually bought most of this like a year ago when we were initially planning the trailer. This is a bed set from IKEA. The kids actually picked this out and asked for it, and it is like the exact vibe of the trailer. It meshes so well in here. I was like, yes, absolutely, we can put that in. So we have sets of these, and we have these throw pillow covers, which are also from IKEA. And our kids love cats, and they're kind of wild cat-ish. So they're really happy about that. And then this is a really cheap shower curtain that I got actually when I was in the States at Target. And I'm hoping that it can replace the ugly curtain that was here before. I don't want it to go all the way to the ground because we do have a dog and dog hair, but I'm hoping that will work. So we are ready to make a headboard for the kids.
Or we could skip that and just go swimming.
No, we're gonna make a headboard.
So what's the plan with these?
The plan, these are all Dollar Tree pool noodles. They've been sun faded because we've had them for a while. So our plan is to cut these to size, whatever size we need for the RV. We're hoping to get this sort of channeled look by putting the fabric between the pool noodles. We gotta first cut the plyboard wood to size.
Yeah, and then we can...
Plywood.
Plyboard. Usually I'm the one who can't say things.
Yeah, anyway. Gotta cut stuff to size.
Yeah. To the cutting place.
Saw.
Well, yeah, sure. That's how it will sit.
Nice. That looks cool.
It does look cool.
I got these little shelves. If you remember, they really match the aesthetic of the bathroom shelves and the shelves in the kitchen. These are for the kids' space, so they have a spot to put their books, put their flashlights, all their kid things. So we're gonna hang one up on this area, and then we're also gonna hang one on the top one. We are getting ready to make our replacement curtain. This one from Target is the replacement, and we also found some tools. So the old curtain used to hang up with these
MacGyvered
strings that are failing. This one is now a safety pin. So we thought maybe we'd do something stronger
and cleaner.
The other thing is we could just use these.
That's nice, actually.
Okay, new plan.
Keep it simple, right?
This is so easy. These actually already have really nice, I thought it was gonna have those kind of ugly.
Yeah, like pleat things on the back thing. But a shower curtain, this makes sense because you put the hooks through it. We just need 12. So that the issue is the spacing if it were.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Well, but then this is only 54 wide and
But
this
let's
is...
just go see what it looks like, because maybe
Okay.
it's fine.
So we just ran to the trailer and did a quick test, and we don't have to make this as complicated as we initially planned.
So we were gonna put rivets in the top,
Which would
make
work.
new holes, cut some off the side, all this stuff. But when we went in and tested it, I think the holes at the top already work so well.
Which is this shower curtain spacing.
And I think it looked fine with this amount of width. So we're not even gonna bother cutting some off. We're just gonna make this easy on ourselves. But I am going to
Square up.
but hem up the bottom. So I think about 10 inches off is about perfect.
Nice.
That looks great.
Perfect height.
It is the perfect height.
One last project we wanted to do was add a whiteboard to the space. We couldn't find one that matched the colors, so we just got a cheap one and spray painted it. We have been camping for a little over a year on Vancouver Island and we have absolutely loved it. But one little problem has come up, and that is that the provincial sites have no power. We have decided to try one of these guys to up our trailer camping game. This is Blue Eddy's AC240, and it is a 120 volt, 2400 watt portable power bank. Powering it up, you just hold this button down for 2 seconds, and you get a full LED screen kind of showing you what your current battery life is at, and also if you have anything connected to it, what you're drawing from the battery bank. You can also attach this to a solar panel unit so that you can charge it off-grid, which is really handy if you're camping in a remote location. And you can also use charging from your vehicle off a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug or your conventional house wall outlet to help charge it back up to 100%. We are off for our last camping trip of the season, so we're gonna see what this power station can do. Some of the cool features on this bad boy, it's a modular design, so you can actually get this base unit and then you can expand it with other battery packs to increase the capacity of your off-grid system. Another really nice feature is that there's an app you can download on your phone, and that will allow you to monitor the power bank and just to see where you're at with life, and then also usage of the battery before you need to do a recharge. So with the power station all hooked up, we get all those necessary comforts of camping, like being able to charge our devices, listening to music, and making sure Lindi has her fancy coffees in the morning.
Our kids are also really enjoying their new bedroom on this final camping trip, and here's how that whole space turned out. Everybody is just so thrilled with how this space turns out. It matches the rest of the aesthetic in the camper. The headboard looks and feels amazing, and the kids love having their shelves and their whiteboard. Just really happy overall with how it came together. So that's it. Kids Space is done. We're really happy with it. Honestly, like, just so happy with how the whole RV came together.
Well, and it's just like, it works well for our camping needs. And it only took like just under 2 years, so.
A little bit longer than the 5 months we initially planned. We are also going to be doing one video of revamping a bunch of the stuff in here that hasn't quite gone according to plan, or maybe had some mechanical failure. Or just maintenance things.
Yeah, some of them are just trailer things, not to anyone's fault, just it's not a brand new trailer.
So stay tuned if you want to see that video and some things we had to fix or change. But hope you like the kids space. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know all your thoughts in the comments below. And stay tuned because we have a lot more house renos coming.
Thanks so much for watching.